Now, a new biography of a renowned sculptor reveals the dramatic story of his childhood escape from the Nazis in wartime Poland. Walenty Pytel arrived in England as a refugee, and he's saddened to see the chaos of war once again engulfing Eastern Europe. But at home in Herefordshire, his passion for art and beauty still rules his life, as Giles Latcham discovered.
Now in his 80s, Walenty Pytel's creative sparks are still flying, though sometimes feathered squatters get in the way.
I can see there's feathers in there and everything, so I've got to be very careful, because if a little bird comes and nests there, it means that I've got to leave this alone till the youngsters come out.
In a career spanning nearly 60 years, he's fashioned beauty from steel and bronze.
The statues, of course, need to be weatherproof and free of rust.
Perhaps his most high-profile work, the fountain sculpture at the Houses of Parliament, marking the Queen's Silver Jubilee in 1977. But everything starts, quite literally, from scrap.
All these little bits here are useful to me, and it's out of all these little bits that's what makes my sculpture different to anybody else.
A new biography tells for the first time how he was taken from his parents in occupied Poland and given to a Nazi officer and his wife who had no children. But his mother snatched him back and they fled to England, arriving at a camp near Leominster.
As a youngster, I used to run along here always.
He was born in a part of Poland which was originally part of Ukraine, and is horrified to see history seemingly repeat itself.
I cannot believe that there's so many people now wanting to flee from various places where there are wars going on, and that makes me very sad. You know, I sort of think we're the lucky ones.
He's never left his adopted home in Herefordshire and the countryside that's inspired much of his work. And it's here, in the middle of the night, that he gets his best ideas.
I have a piece of paper in my bedroom, and when I sort of have a dream about something, I will do a drawing then. And that's what I found, that if I did the drawing then, because by the morning I forgot what I'm even thinking about. Funny enough, a lot of people, they try and copy something exactly like that. And I think, oh, they'll take over my job. And I know that, but at my age, I can still do it better than they can.
Defying the passing years, in Walenty Pytel's spirit, creativity burns bright. Giles Latcham, BBC Midlands Today, Herefordshire.